What if the H-1B visa, the gateway to Silicon Valley, just became nearly impossible overnight? For decades, the H-1B visa has been the golden ticket for global tech talent. But in 2026, everything is changing fast. New proposals like the End H-1B Visa Abuse Act are not just reforms, they could completely reshape the system. One major idea on the table is a 3-year freeze on new H-1B visas, along with a massive $200,000 minimum salary requirement. At the same time, the traditional lottery system is being replaced. Instead of random selection, the new model prioritizes higher wages. That means candidates with top salaries and experience move ahead, while entry-level applicants, especially wage level 1, are pushed to the bottom with almost no chance. The cost for employers is also rising sharply. With higher prevailing wage rules and fees already touching 6 figures in some cases, hiring foreign talent is no longer a simple decision, it's a high-risk investment. This shift is already changing hiring strategies. Companies are slowing overseas recruitment, startups are struggling to afford global talent, and many skilled professionals are reconsidering their U.S. plans altogether. Supporters say this protects American workers and ensures fair wages. Critics argue it could hurt innovation and push talent to countries like Canada, Germany, and the UK. One thing is clear: the era of easy H-1B access is ending. The system is moving from volume to value, from lottery to salary, and from opportunity to competition. So the real question is this the end of the American dream for global tech talent, or just a new, tougher beginning?